In this video, I'll quickly show you what we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, including leaked cases, key features, and why this phone might be one of Samsung's most exciting A-series devices this year. Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy A57 yet, but new clues suggest the launch could be just around the corner. A well-known accessory brand, Ringke, has already revealed several accessories designed for the upcoming phone. These include protective cases, screen protectors, and camera lens protectors. Accessory companies usually release products shortly before a phone launches, so this strongly hints that the Galaxy A57 could arrive very soon. Ringke's lineup includes multiple case options, including a magnetic case. Even if the phone doesn't support wireless charging, this case can still let users attach magnetic accessories like car mounts or stands. The cases are expected to cost between $18.99 and $24.99. As for the specs, leaks suggest the Galaxy A57 may feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's also expected to run on the Samsung Exynos 1680 processor with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Reports also say the phone could launch alongside the Samsung Galaxy A37, strengthening Samsung's mid-range lineup. Meanwhile, Samsung's flagship Samsung Galaxy S26 series is already available for pre-order for users looking for a premium experience. But if you're looking for a powerful phone at a more affordable price, the Galaxy A57 5G could definitely be worth waiting for. So what do you think about the Galaxy A57? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy Samsung leaks, tips, and hidden features, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.